trying to describe AcornVac in one word is actually kind of difficult. I would say that there's kind of three words that you could use, and service, number one, quality, and humility. They all kind of go together as you look at them, but their service, they are very service oriented to their customer and to the products that they're providing, and how how everything all comes together and how it works. So the service side, quality, just quality people to work with, quality product, they stand behind it. And humility is they do it with humility to where they just treat everyone very, very nice, equal, and this. And so they're just wonderful to work with.